Grammy-winning dancehall artist Shabba lays his mom to rest, and Dexta Daps faces an unfamiliar situation in Fort Lauderdale.
But me have to do this. I'm just the biggest racist act in my life.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now today I have a video from Dexta Daps. Now people, may I go show you the video. Him not really explain what go on like in details, but him do tell like what happened. If you don't understand what me I say, like him talk, say something happen, but he not tell you why yet. So may I go show you the video. Then, you know what I mean, may I go tell you when you say in the caption. So take a look at this video. Here goes.
I'm not a fucking person, but me have to do this. I'm just the biggest racist act in my life. Never see another racist act so big yet in my life. Search for me see there. A place named Rock Bar in a Fort Lauderdale. Never see nothing so racist in my life ever. Right, that's all. Rock Bar, Fort Lauderdale. See that? Right on the beach. Biggest racist act. Me explain later. Big up to everybody on the live. You hear that?
Now people, the reason why I think this video hold any kind of significance is because it happened yesterday, and then today now him post it back on him Instagram with a caption, and this is what he said in the caption: I don't put people down nor talk bad about them. In all honesty, I would much rather say nothing, but sometimes when you don't say anything about the things that truly matters, the foolishness don't stop. Hashtag Rock Bar is a nice spot that I would have recommended to anyone, but as of yesterday, them get benched. Clean up y'all racist staff blood. Until then, I'm black and proud. So F y'all straight up. And then under that input, F Rock Bar, never again. Racist PUSSY. You wanna know the word? Here's some promotion. F faces. Right? So definitely we can see that Dexta is really hurt, because Dexta is not that kind of person like him saying in the video. He don't really talk about things. I'm gonna make video about him the other day with even talking about Kenny's Jackson, and he's a man when I really talky. So I mean I say people, when you know same song them bad and everything, but him not the one for the social media. So the fact that him come and say something, I must something that really bother him. And like me say, him go live yesterday and him say him don't talk about it, and then him come back this morning and post back the video with a caption, so him still hurt about it. So we are stand by if you see what him say. As soon as him tell we are, I might make a video about that, or I might see it on the other pages them or something. Alright?
Wagwan Jamaica slang, Jamaican slang from your talk about dog that a pay bad man again. Slang. Jamaican do them thing a different way from everybody. If in the talk where we make sound lyrically. So when you hear we attack, if you don't understand that no means that we attack.
But let's talk about another Seaview native. Let's talk about Shabba, the legendary Shabba King, right? Let's talk about the man himself. So yesterday was his mother's funeral, you know what I mean? Rest in peace to his mother and condolences to him and his friends and families also, right? But may have a little clip for show, no, a little part of his speech. So here goes.
Live without Jesus in your life. So you see today, out of my mother body, they make you know, say if you don't know God, you don't get to know God. Because say the product of God, yeah, because my old lady raised me up in that manner. This woman here put on the gloves, the boxing gloves, and show I how to fight life. When I say, this woman here put on the gloves and show I how to strive and survive in a life. So when I don't hear Shabba say, boy, I'm loving mother. And I man work hard in a life to make sure say I'm mother alright. I see I hold you to work hard in a life to make I alright. Because me is a youth we're going to the ghetto. But me don't know what ghetto life is. Because my mother made sure so she worked hard for her 7 children. And not only her 7 children, but everyone else's children. Because some you know my mother never yet cook a pot of food, and her 7 people alone ate that. Everybody else come in and get a plate.
So I do have more of the Shabba video if you want to see that, stick around. But right now, we have a song from Glamaton called Jamaican Slang.
Wagwan Jamaica slang, Jamaican slang from your top about dog that a pay bad man again. Slang. Jamaican do them thing a different way from everybody. If in the talk where we make sound lyrically. So when you hear we attack, if you don't understand that no means we attack nothing wrong. I just a style where we have a yard man slang. So me want the whole world try understand. Or not try get it right and get it wrong. Let me explain to the rest of the nation.
And people, me review a couple songs for Glamaton before, and one thing me notice, it's hard for you hear a Glamaton song and I want to move to the beat.
For example, me song on the station, and it a play all over the nation. And my brethren go here and say, Jesus peace, Glamaton a mash up the radio station. That no mean the artist I do nothing wrong. I just the song I get whole heap of rotation. Cause just the style where we have a just yard man slang show. Oh no, listen to this song. Jamaican do them thing a different way from everybody. If in the talk where we make sound lyrically. So when you hear we attack, if you don't understand that no means we attack.
And just in case if you are an English speaker and you don't really understand the Jamaican slang, I have an assistant to help out with that.
Hello there. Language spoken in Jamaica. What? Patois and English. Okay? What are you doing here? Away,
I just a style where we have a yard man slang. So me want the whole world try understand. Or not try get it right and you get it wrong. Let me explain to the rest of the nation. Me friend a party one day me couldn't make it. So me pick up the phone and me call him. I said tell me what go on with the program. He say everything's like we're done over. You with a think of accident or a murder. But of the food and the liquor sell off. From the man food, me hear him a laugh. He said teach them the yard man slang. Jamaican do them thing a different way from everybody. If in the talk where we make sound lyrically. So when you hear we attack, if you don't understand that no means we attack nothing wrong.
I may have to big up Glamaton, you know, my new ambassador for Jamaica. You see me? I want to know what's I'm resting at the Cayman Island, so you know I'm a rep for Jamaica over the said way.
What your name? Slang, Jamaican slang from your top out dog that a pay bad man again. Slang, Jamaican slang, y'all know what we mean when we mention slang again. Slang, Jamaican slang, create with one style yard man. That one your name? Slang, Jamaican slang from your top out dog. Jamaican do them thing a different way from everybody. If in the talk where we make sound lyrically. So when you hear we attack, if you don't understand that no means we attack nothing wrong. I just a style where we have a yard man slang. So me want the whole world try and
So again, people, the song is called Jamaican Slang and the artist is Glamaton, right? I'm gonna go put the links them down in the comment section or in the description so you can check it out and check out the song without me talking over it, you know what I mean? And check out him career. And again, people, the video not finished, you know. So me no want to no run off. You know understand me?
Where are you going? Away I go!
And her favorite word to me is give to all the people you can, as long as you can, however you can, mama. She never know. No, she not rest in peace, you know, she stand up in her glory. Because God opened up the red carpet and said, welcome home. This is a woman who live her life in a joyful way. I don't know one day where I see a old lady and the farmer animosity against no one. You see me I deal with? It's a woman who show love, empathy. It's a woman who show say, listen to me. Let me go on drama. You answer one time when I was like, say, 14, 15 years old. And I struggled with this music and to make this music be something. There was prominent people within this music that tried to stop I. Everything I try to do, them try to stop I. It happened where we're supposed to go foreign. And a man bumps me out and said, don't carry Shabba go foreign because I'm going to run away. And I walk from Jammies, go straight to see you. It's a long walk that. And it's taxi I take go to Jammies. And when I reach in my house, I look at my mother and I say to my mother, say, hear me no man, we don't do music. I straight kill people and badness. And she said, what? Kill people and badness? Let me tell you something. No murder in my generation. No blood money for my generation. And to all me love you as a son. Don't make me cry. You see, anywhere you did come from, and I talk about kill, go back there, go walk harder. Because when God open up for your door, nobody can close it. And me sit down in front of her and she said, sit down here, sir. Cry if you want, cry. Bawl if you want, bawl. Holla if you want, holla. But remember, say, it's only love of God can bring you through. You hear me, woman? I thank you for everything that you have done for me. Everything that you have done for me, I thank you. And the reason why I don't cry over her is because I know I live my life and I know say I mother know say I love her. Because if it comes to I lose I life for she live, would have dead for she live, brother. Would have dead for she live, sisters. There is nothing too great where I could not give to my mother. The only thing I could not give to her is the pearly gate open up so she can see Jesus' face. I love my wife. And the reason why I love my wife is because I love my mother first. My mother is my first girlfriend. So she teaches me how to love my wife. People, I love you. God bless you. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the support. God bless. And especially the church people then. In the mighty name of Jesus, we love you. Yeah.
We got that one in my EP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, rich, punk, should know, 10 to blacks, yeah,